name is Rick Sanchez. I'm with a company called Tractor Tip, and what we have for sale here today is a Takeuchi TB135. I'm going to talk a little bit about the mechanics of this particular machine in the first clip, the operating specs in the second, we'll run it in the third. Price on a new machine like this about $42,000 to $45,000 depending on how you have it equipped. This machine currently has 3,661 hours on it, but as you can see, we use this tractor, so you know, the hours might accumulate a little bit. As far as manufacturers go, in this particular model, I'll bet that Takeuchi probably dominates the market with a TB135. The weight of this machine is 7,900 pounds. Its widest point is actually that blade right there at 5 foot 3 inches. The highest point is the top of that cab right there at 8 feet. The transportation length is 16 foot 6 inches. It's comparable to like a Komatsu PC35, a Cat 303.5, or now Takeuchi redid their nomenclature and they're now calling these TB235s. As far as options go, as you can see, it's got rubber tracks. It's got a strike-off blade. It's got an offset boom here. It's got a pattern control change valve. It's got auxiliary hydraulics. As far as the engine goes, this has got a Yanmar engine. It's a 28 horsepower Yanmar. It's an extremely common engine in these size excavators, regardless of the makes and the models. Komatsu uses them, John Deere uses them. It's got a 13.5 gallon tank, which will give you about 10-12 hours worth of work. Again, this machine is mechanically sound. There's no leaks. Everything on it works. The hydraulics are strong. The undercarriage, it's a little muddy right now, but it's about 45%. There are no leaks on the final drives. The final drives have got plenty of power, enabling it to counter-rotate. Again, the hydraulics are strong. There's no cracks or welds anywhere in the work equipment. All of the pins and the bushings are relatively tight, considering the amount of hours that you have on the machine. The teeth are 100%, they're brand new. There's very little deflection or anything in this area right here. It's still a relatively tight machine. We're going to talk about the operating specs in the next clip. Okay, as far as the operating specs go, this has got a 13-inch bucket. It's probably about a 2 cubic foot in capacity. The excavator's maximum dig depth is 11 foot 2 inches, and the maximum reach at ground level is 17.5 feet. The maximum height that this machine will go is 13.5 feet, like if you're loading in a dumpster or something. The breakout force on this tractor is 8,500 pounds. Its greatest lifting capacity is 3,600 pounds. That's 10 foot out from the center of the swing at ground level. The drawbar pull, defined as the amount of weight in addition to the machine that a machine can push or pull. In this particular machine, it's about 8,000 pounds. We're going to run it in the next clip.
test your final drives. They're nice and strong.